You have the paperwork? Oh, you're bringing it. Okay. What's my date? 28. Court does call the case, People versus Joshua Wara.
Trevor Mabel for the people here.
We are ready in this matter. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Wara. Mr. Wara, state your name for the record.
Joshua Wara.
All right.
He gets Lauren Brown. That's perfect. That's perfect.
And this is a date and time I had set preliminary examination in this matter. My understanding is you would like a forensic evaluation.
That is correct, Your Honor. Based on my conversations with Mr. Wara.
Forensic evaluation for what? What's going on here?
Based on my conversations with Mr. Wara, I believe that it is necessary.
Hey, I'm representing myself. What are my charges? What am I in here for? I'm representing myself. I don't need a barcode to represent myself. What am I in here for? What charge am I on here for? I don't need a forensic exam. I'm not mentally disabled. I have ADHD and PTSD. I'm perfectly fine. I'm not on Social Security.
Sir, you are before the court on a felony complaint that alleges that on or about, as I read to you before, October 15, 2025, location of South Main Street and East William Street in the city of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan, that you did fail to stop at the scene of an accident resulting in serious impairment or death. Individual.
The guy was
That is a
perfectly fine.
felony. That is a felony, punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and a $5,000 fine plus court costs. You do understand that, sir?
I understand that. Thank you,
All right,
Mr.
Count two on that complaint alleges that on that same date and at that same location that you did commit a moving violation causing serious impairment of a bodily function. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yeah, I understand that.
All right. So that is what you are here for.
Mr. Simpson, I'd like to subpoena the camera footage from the mobile gas station there on North Main Street that I was at.
In a moment that stunned the courtroom, the defendant insists he didn't flee the crash. Instead, he claims an AI hacked the traffic light. He says the tomboys and the Ku Klux Klan took his car for a joyride. The judge listens carefully, then quietly orders a forensic evaluation. The line between delusion and defense just got blurry.
The reasons, sir? That's one of the reasons why you have an attorney. Did you let them know that?
No, I don't have an attorney. I told them I don't want anybody to represent.
wanna
I said I'm
represent
representing
yourself?
myself. Yes.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, I would like to do that.
Sure.
And I would like to subpoena the
do
camera
have to
footage from
advise
the
you,
gas station.
I
I mean,
what the charges are, sir. That if you elect to represent yourself, you'll be held to the same standards as an attorney would regarding the rules of evidence and procedure in the courtroom.
Yes, Your Honor, I
And
understand
would
that.
not be shown any favoritism.
Yes, and I would like to subpoena my
If
discovery
at some
packet,
point in
please.
time you wish then to be represented by counsel, you need to make that request to the court.
Okay. I've
to
tried
do
calling the public defender's office and I've tried to tell them I want to represent myself. And I've tried to subpoena my discovery packet and they won't bring it to me. I need to subpoena my discovery packet for all cases available, please. And I would like, yep. And I would like to also subpoena everybody's address in the MDOC that's involved in the Neuralink case through Secretary of State, phone numbers, text messages, and visual voicemail records. And I would like to subpoena the phone recordings, Securus GTL recordings from when I was in the MDOC at ARF level 4 and WCC pictures. And
Sir, I listened to you both through the last hearing and this hearing. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm not going to relieve the public defenders, but I am concerned, while you have indicated to me that you don't need a forensic evaluation, the court, in listening to you, does believe that you would need a forensic evaluation.
no, I'm perfectly fine, Mr. Simpson.
Sir, for your own
I'm not on Social
protection and
Security.
preservation of your rights.
I'm not on Social Security. I'm over the age of 25. I'm not mentally disabled. I do not need a forensic
And sir, here's the
investigation.
thing.
I do not
I
go
have
to the
to,
forensic center.
I have to, in terms of these proceedings,
Judge Simpson has heard everything, but this might be a first. The defendant insists he's too smart for a mental exam, pointing to his GED as proof of competence. The judge doesn't argue. He simply says, "For your own protection, I'm ordering a forensic evaluation.com/firm in total control."
You can subpoena that record. If someone can get a GED in less than 5 months, I'm pretty sure they're competent.
Not really.
And I would like to
Well,
subpoena my GED from the Adult
you
Transitions
can
Program
do
in
that.
2013 at Washington Community College.
Subpoena. I will not relieve the public defender at this point, but I will consider certainly that once the
Thank you. Yeah, that way,
Forensic
if you see I got a GED from WCC in 2013 in 3 months, you know I'm competent. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Judge.
I am going to order a forensic evaluation. I will set a competency hearing just to make sure. I'm going to set that for January 29th, 2025.
January 29.
a.m. I will sign an order to
Can you give me a PR bond, please?
I'm sorry.
Can I please, I would like to request a PR bond.
This time you can file a motion or somebody can file a motion before the court and I'll consider a written motion, but at this time I'm not going to change the bond in this case.
What is the bond?
Currently, your bond is set at $25,000 cash sure.
Do you have any bail bondsman numbers for me that I could get a hold of, please?
Sorry,
I'd like to subpoena a bail bondsman.
You can check with the individuals at the jail. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to assist you in that regard. All right. So that you understand, I'm leaving the public defender on the case at this point.
No, I don't want a
Get
public
the
defender.
evaluation. I hear you, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. We will get the evaluation. I'd suggest that you be cooperative in that. You may be right and come back competent, and then we can get this proceeding moving even quicker.
Not gonna come back now. Y'all gonna try it.
Before we go off the record,
Y'all corrupt as hell. Y'all fucked up, people. Y'all people fucked up. Y'all.
Okay, keep moving. All right, been a pleasure.
I'm Benjamin Franklin's son.
Me too.
I just want to.
Because Paris is lovely in this one.
I just want to address one thing, Your Honor, relating to the prosecutor's office's responsibility of providing discovery as we move forward in this case. The defendant, in attempting to represent himself at the PCC on Thursday last week, stated that he didn't need an attorney, he didn't want an attorney, and that he didn't need the discovery either, that he knew what was going on, and that he wasn't worried about having all the video prior to today's hearing, and we were prepared to proceed today. At the same time, under normal circumstances, we would be in the process of getting all of that video discovery to defense counsel that he referenced wanting today. He mentioned wanting the video at the intersection. My office is in the process of getting that hopefully before the weekend. And I'm looking for permission to provide discovery to Mr. Brown's office on this file moving forward.
In response, Your Honor, as we are still on the case, I would ask that they provide discovery as they normally would.
And then if in January, depending on what happens, then certainly that information can be tendered either if he's going to represent himself, which he may be entitled to do, then the public defender can turn it over to the prosecutors we have in other cases that supply directly to him.
Understood.
All right. Thank you. At least I wasn't called the Illuminati. Well, that's also called a bunch. It was also called a bunch of other things, but that's okay. I'm good with that. I'm confident in me. So is that your only case, Mr. Brown?
I think. It's so long.
Just when you think the courtroom chaos is over, it's not. A landlord files multiple cases for the same rent dispute, confusing everyone. Judge Simpson leans back and sighs. I'm not going to relitigate this whole case. He doesn't lose his patience. He takes control. Again.
Yes, that was just to make sure for.
Make sure of what?
She hasn't paid September, October, or rent. So I was told to file a 7-day.
Did you put September in escrow? This Friday. And then what about October?
I'm going to get that in as soon as possible as well. I don't have a deadline.
So
I thought I was supposed to.
what?
Sorry.
What did you say?
I thought I was supposed to since she was late for rent for 3 months.
Well, if I render a decision on this case, something's got to be done with that one because this is a non-payment also.
Yeah, it is, sir. I'm sorry.
When is that set for?
November 7th.
That's the 8:30 hearing.
Yes.
My date after that is in what?
It's
No, no, this is for Tuesday. So here's what I'm going to do. That case, have you been served on that case, ma'am? A new one
So, yes.
to come to court on the 7th?
Yes.
All right. I don't know why that was done, but it's now caused a bit of confusion procedure. Yes.
I thought I was supposed to when it was late. I'm sorry if I made a mistake, but
Well, there's an escrow order that's in this case. And you went through a whole hearing on this case.
Yeah.
And I'm going to render a decision, but that other case is outstanding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that proceed on the 7th. I'm going to adjourn this case to my decision on this case to November 18th to allow that case to catch up because I don't want a stray case out there. You have the option if you want to, I'm still adjourning this one out to that date, but you do have the option that what you can do is you can dismiss that other case because I don't know what you would get out of that case that you wouldn't get in this case.
can I dismiss the
I don't have it in front of me. I don't even know if you filed it.
can I dismiss this case and just go with this one on the 7th? Since it's for non-payment of rent? That's what I prefer to do.
I'm not going to relitigate this whole case.
I just
That's
want,
what you want to do.
no, I just want to do it for non-payment of rent. I can dismiss the,
Well, she's got some counterclaims. You want to just dismiss this case and just go forth on
Well, keep going. We've been here since June, so.
Oh, I know.
I mean, there's also an outstanding water balance of almost $1,500. So I would just rather cancel this case since I'm the plaintiff and then just go with the 7th.
The water bill she mentioned, she took the water bill out of my name and paid it in full.
It was due on the 6th and they said it would go on my tax bills if I didn't pay
I
it.
don't
So
know why
paid
I'm
it.
talking about a water bill at this point.
Sir,
What do you want to do? Because you've got this thing all over the place.
I'm going to withdraw this case and just go with the 7th for non-payment of rent. She's 3 months behind right now. And the water bills,
How can she be 3 months behind? She's
September, October, and then it'll be November, and then the water bill of $1,500. So it's well over, she owes a total of $15,000, a little over 15, and she has 6,600 in escrow. So it's getting deeper and deeper. The further we delay it, the bigger the hole gets.
I'm not delaying anything. You keep doing stuff.
I want to sell this one and just go for the 7th since I'm the plaintiff on both. For non-payment of rent, that's all I'm concerned.
No, I know. That's why I don't understand the second case.
Well, that's all I want is to.
I mean, you think I'm sitting up here and don't know anything.
Yeah.
I look stupid, but I'm,
No, you're very smart, sir.
oh, I know that.
I would just rather withdraw this case and just go on with the 7th.
You let me know when you're done talking.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you done?
Yeah, I mean, the other attorney,
You're not. Go ahead.
the other attorney I was working with before suggested that I do that I withdraw this case and just do the 7-day notice. That's what he suggested. He said that would be easier.
You done?
Yes, sir.
Lyman, what would you like to do? So just so that you understand, if she dismisses this case, what I would do is I would pay the escrow over to her, okay, on this case. No, if you dismissed it, I would be dismissing any of your claims that you have against her. Dismissing any of them with prejudice, you'd be able to raise them in the other one if that's what you choose to do. But that's up to you. And then you'd have to come back on the 7th and we'll see exactly where we are.
I just feel like we should just keep going because this one.
But
Finish it out.
since I'm the plaintiff, don't I have the right to cancel that one, listening to my counsel?
You should have gotten an attorney before you started. But
I know, but that's what he suggested I do. He said,
no, because once she's answered, she has the same right. She can say no.
okay. So if I cancel the one on the 7th, can we just be done with this today? Is that better? I just don't want to keep dragging this on. So if I just kill the one for the 7th and we just,
Ma'am, I can't give you.
well, that's what I want to do.
As to, well, I don't have that case in front of me. It hasn't even been heard. It was filed.
It was just for non-payment of rent, but since you said it overlaps this one, then let's just cancel that one and just do the non-payment of rent on
That's
this.
what I'm going to do. You're going to stop talking.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do what I was going to do at the beginning. And that is, I'm going to let that other case catch up. They're just going to be together because you elected to file it. Whether, under what reasoning, I'm not even concerned about that. But I'm not going to have two cases standing out in this situation. So I'm adjourning this case for its decision to November 18th. When we get to the other case on the 7th, I will try to have that case catch up with this case. And then we can just decide everything, unless somebody wants to file something else in the end.
Thank you.
What time on 18th?
9.
Are we coming on the 7th as well, sir? Okay. Thank you.